Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make close friend list on Instagram. So Instagram has a feature called close friends that will make it easier to share your stories only to a limited group or limited friends. And I'm gonna show you how to make that close friend list. So you need to open your Instagram, and then you just need to head to your profile, and in your profile tap on the three bars icon at the top right, and after that just tap on the close friends option, and here you'll be directed to close friends page, and you just need to click on and click on the get started button, the blue one, and here you'll see your friends list, and you just need to choose the one that you'll include it you will include in your close friend list. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, and this one, and you just need to, after you choose the friends list, your friends list, you just need to click on the create list button or option at the bottom of the screen. Just click on that and your close friends list is made. So just like that, the next time you want to update or upload your stories just to your close friend list, you just need to click on the close friends option at the story page. So I think that's all from me. I hope this video will help you, and if you like this video, don't forget to click that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.